Y'all see this? A bee right in the tree, yo. This is a better view. I usually get it a different time of the day, but this time of the day, it's in the morning. It looks like they love to be in the sun like that. So as you can see, beehive formed right in the tree above the Oregon. Let me show you my Oregon once again. Oregon pyramid right here. Y'all see it looks kind of camouflaged, but it's in the ground. Boop! Right there. Boom. Alright, copper legs on each side going into the ground. Okay. Along with my Oregon cube with the copper legs. Alright. So this is why I believe we got a beehive formed right up in the tree. Look at that. Thousands of bees, y'all. Literally thousands. Can't make this up, yo. I need to figure out how to do a stronger zoom in on my phone so y'all can really see up close what's going on. But yeah, y'all, thousands of bees right up in my tree, right above my head. You're seeing it for yourself. Can't make this up. And from what I'm hearing, when you're around bees, it actually gives you a healthy feeling. So, and beekeepers live long. They have some of the longest life expectancies. So I expect to live long. Yay!